Hello friends, in this short and basic video, today I will show you how to fix a Chromebook that won't turn on. So guys, to resolve this Chromebook problem, you can try one simple method. Hopefully this method will work for you, and comment if this method work and this trick work for you. Method is that in this first line, you will see one refresh key. You will see the refresh button. So press refresh and power button together for 10 to 15 seconds. So press and hold this power and refresh key together for 10 to 15 seconds. And if this not work in first try, so plug in and plug out your charger, and after that try for second time. Similar, press here, you will see one key, refresh key. And actually I not have this laptop is Chromebook, it's a Dell, but you have Chromebook. So in this first line you will see one refresh key. So press refresh key and power button together for 10 to 15 seconds. Hopefully this time your Chromebook will turn on. So thanks for watching, and guys, comment this is a short and basic video, work for you or not, and also comment if you have any query or question. See ya.